Apparently Fink found a way to exercise in the washing machine. Just keeps thinking that he's going to get somewhere new. Oh my gosh.
Look, I fixed it.
He's like running in it now. Oh my gosh, look at him go. He's the craziest thing. I don't know where he thinks he's going. He keeps checking it out, like wondering if it's something new.
Cardio Kitty.
Oh my gosh! Oh, that is awesome.
Keep going, you're almost there.
Wow. We're gonna stick our overweight cat in there.
Doesn't even need a carrot. Like, wait a minute, I've been here before.
I know. He keeps stopping, like wondering if it's gonna change. Wow.
It's like, nope, still been here before.
I think our boy might be a little slow.
It's like, alright, you guys fooled me.
What are you doing, Fink? You're funny.